In this guide, we focus on color field rearranging. This feature is applicable with all of Colorize Pro's workflows. In this example, we are recoloring a tank with a patterned texture which contains many unique color regions. Furthermore, we have randomly painted the model just to help us showcase the power of color rearranging. This is where color field rearrangement becomes invaluable, as it allows you to focus the colors you're looking for to the top of your list, saving you a lot of time, especially in cases where there are too many individual color regions. To activate the rearrangement tool, click on the rearrangement toggle. The newly available buttons beside the color fields will elevate the selected color field to the top of the list, along with similar colors. For example, if you want to focus on painting the green parts of the armor first, simply order the colors by green. This tactic is particularly useful when using our diffusion painting technology, which is intended for non-palette texture workflows. However, you can still use it in all workflows. Alternatively, you can hold Control while clicking the rearrangement toggle to rearrange colors based on how common the pixels of that color are in the scene, which is particularly useful when dealing with patterns and non-palette textures. Or hold Shift while clicking the toggle to sort by group ID. You can also rearrange using the color field selector, even if the chosen color isn't present in your scene. Your palette will adjust based on the proximity to the selected color. These features have been added to enhance your experience in an evolving tool. As Colorize Pro workflows become more complex, with increasingly more regions to control, these tools are designed to make the process more efficient and ergonomic. With these enhancements, you can focus more on your creative work and less on managing complexity.